Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. You have developed a non-critical update to your application that is running in a managed instance group and have created a new instance template with the update that you want to release. To prevent any possible impact to the application, you don't want to update any running instances. You want any new instances that are created by the managed instance group to contain the new update. What should you do? Option A, start a new rolling restart operation. Option B, start a new rolling replace operation. Option C, start a new rolling update. Select the proactive update mode. Option D, start a new rolling update. Select the opportunistic update mode. To ensure that new instances created by the managed instance group contain the new update without impacting any running instances, you should start a new rolling update and select the opportunistic update mode. This mode allows the update to be applied only to new instances as they are created, without forcing updates on existing, running instances, thus preventing any possible impact to the currently running application. Question 2. You created a pipeline that can deploy your source code changes to your infrastructure and instance groups for self-healing. One of the changes negatively affects your key performance indicator. You are not sure how to fix it. An investigation could take up to a week. What should you do? Option A, log into a server and iterate on the Fox locally. Option B, revert the source code change and rerun the deployment pipeline. Option C, log into the servers with the bad code change and swap in the previous code. Option D, change the instance group template to the previous one and delete all instances. When a source code change negatively affects your key performance indicator, the best course of action is to revert the change and deploy the previous, stable version. This ensures that your application returns to a known good state while you investigate the issue without prolonged downtime or further impact on KPIs. Question 3. Dress4Win has end-to-end tests covering 100% of their endpoints. They want to ensure that the move to the cloud does not introduce any new bugs. Which additional testing methods should the developers employ to prevent an outage? Option A, they should enable Google Stackdriver Debugger on the application code to show errors in the code. Option B, they should add additional unit tests and production scale load tests on their cloud staging environment. Option C, they should run the end-to-end tests in the cloud staging environment to determine if the code is working as intended. Option D, they should add canary tests so developers can measure how much of an impact the new release causes to latency. To ensure a smooth transition to the cloud without introducing new bugs, developers should add additional unit tests and production scale load tests in their cloud staging environment. Unit tests will help catch any issues at the component level early on, and production scale load tests will simulate real-world usage to identify performance bottlenecks and scalability issues, thus helping prevent potential outages. Question 4. Your company uses the Firewall Insights feature in the Google Network Intelligence Center. You have several firewall rules applied to compute engine instances. You need to evaluate the efficiency of the applied firewall rule set. When you bring up the Firewall Insights page in the Google Cloud Console, you notice that there are no log rows to display. What should you do to troubleshoot the issue? Option A, enable virtual private cloud flow logging. Option B, enable firewall rules logging for the firewall rules you want to monitor. Option C, verify that your user account is assigned the compute, network admin identity and access management role. Option D, install the Google Cloud SDK and verify that there are no firewall logs in the command line output. To troubleshoot the issue of no log rows displaying in the Firewall Insights page of the Google Cloud Console, you need to enable firewall rules logging for the specific firewall rules you want to monitor. This feature is necessary for the firewall logs to be generated and displayed in Firewall Insights, allowing you to evaluate the efficiency of your firewall rule set. Question 5. Your company has announced that they will be outsourcing operations functions. You want to allow developers to easily stage new versions of a cloud-based application in the production environment and allow the outsourced operations team to autonomously promote stage versions to production. You want to minimize the operational overhead of the solution. Which Google Cloud product should you migrate to? Option A, App Engine. Option B, GKE On-Prem. Option C, Compute Engine. Option D, Google Kubernetes Engine. App Engine is a fully managed platform as a service that allows developers to build and deploy applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. It supports versioning and traffic splitting, making it easy to stage new versions and promote them to production with minimal operational overhead. This makes App Engine ideal for scenarios where operational functions are outsourced, as it simplifies the process for both developers and the operations team. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.